all you viewers of the name later, how we doing today? I know. You see the box. I can already feel the hatred radiating off the screen. Yes, I'm taking a look at something else by Eafengrow. Why? I like the look of the blade. Why else? Price point. So today we are going to take a look at the Eafengrow 228 Tactical Folding Knife. They call it camo. I don't know why it's not camo. Holy crap, the way they name some of these things. But here is the blade itself. When I saw it on Amazon, I went, you know what? If that had been done by like Gerber, Kershaw, CRKT, people be grabbing it up. But because it's by Eafengrow, I thought it might really get overlooked. So I figured, why not? Let's bring it to the channel. First thing I like is a little bit of the palm swell back here, so it really helps fit in your hand pretty damn good. The indents around the flipper area, it just seriously wraps that finger in there, and it helps it sit secure. The only thing I truly hated was, well, the jimping on the liner lock. There's points where I'm holding it, and that's what I feel is the jimping, and I haven't really had to get in for any hard use yet, so I'm worried about a hot spot. They didn't put any jimping on the back of the flipper, which I thought was weird, because if your hand slips up, it's like a little ski ramp right there. But, okay, let's get into the stats and everything else like we usually do. We got an overall length of about 8.50 inches. The blade, they say, is about 3.66. Enclosed, it's about 4.84. It's got an okay minor weight to it for a big burly bitch like this one of 4.69 ounces. Now, they do call that the drop point style, but I went, okay, that looks like a hybrid of a Warncliffe and a drop point to me, or maybe even a baby Tonto. But it's got like that Ken Onion big burly belly, so you make your choice, all right? Plain edge, flat grind, and here we go, D2 steel. All right, there's the little stamp. I know I did a PMI. I have a video up on a PMI test, and it's not D2 steel. It was 8CR13 MOV. So, like I'm saying in a bunch of these videos, I know that D2 steel was a very popular super steel for a very long time, but with price points and other steels that have come out, the cost on D2 has gone downhill. So, you make your determination. If you believe it's D2, it's D2. If you believe it's something else, it's something else. I am not going to get into a pissing match over steel on a cheap blade. Okay? They claim it has a Rockwell rating of about 58 to 60. We have dual G10 olive drab green scales. Now, that's what made me go, why is that camo just green? But, you know, what the hell. Stainless steel frame with a liner lock. We do have a ball bearing pivot open with, the flipper. It opens up pretty smooth, and I've been having a lot of fun with it. It's like an adult fidget toy. It's the only way I can put it. Yes. Oh, excuse me. Only one way to carry. Right hand carry, tip up. Yes, they are made in China, but they do have a U.S. distributor out of Lexington, Kentucky. The only place you can find these guys is on Amazon, but they now have a Instagram presence at Eafengrow. All right, let's do some cut tests like we usually do. Now we only do 3. And why do I do these 3? Take a look right up there. There's a card for why I do these cut tests. All right, first up, heavy-duty stock paper. God, that's so satisfying. Let's go for a curly Q. Oh, somewhat. Okay. Big reason why I try to get it to be a little curly Q's is because anyone can just come along and go sharp. But if you drag that blade nice and slow, maintain the same edge angle, that paper should start to curl back in on itself, like right there. That's going to show you there's like no micro abrasions, pitch chips, any of that really, really nasty stuff that we don't like. As we've been doing lately, take a look at the blade. It's got some snowfall, but not a lot. All right. The struggle test. This batch of paracord's almost gone. Thank you, baby Jesus. Here we go with a pull test. Fucker! Started to. Pardon my language. Now I gotta mark myself and demonetize my video. But still. Alright, slice test. I'll let you decide. Do you think it's clean or what? And the hero of the show, Mr. Ratchet Drab. I wonder what new adventures he's gotten into since our last video. He always has a fulfilling life, you know that? Alright, there we go. Now, check the blade like we usually do. Alright, I really don't see any problems. Oh, wait a minute, I didn't even mention, I do like that stonewash finish on there. I really, truly do. That looks pretty damn cool. One of my favorites, seriously. Now, if it was black stonewash, whoo, mama. But still. Alright, today is August 26th, 2021. I think I screwed up another video and said 2022, but still. I did the homework and all the fun stuff on this guy on August 14th, 2021. This price is current as of August 14th. It's going to run you $26.99. See? Great starter blade. It is Prime eligible. It's been reviewed 55 times, and it got a 4.4 out of 5-star rating. Now we're at the part of the video that I usually love, but because it's an Eafengrow, I was worried. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Do you think it's a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? You notice I didn't say if I thought it was a clone of another one because I hadn't seen anything exactly along this line yet. But the fun part about doing a YouTube video is somebody's going to know. So if you know what it's a clone of, make sure you leave me that comment. Okay. Damn it, allergies. Alright, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say, hey, thanks so much for watching this video today. If you like what you saw, give me a big old thumbs up. It's only going to help trigger that algorithm and help get the insanity that is this channel out there for other people. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do to earn your subscription. It's kind of like that give and back kind of thing. I give you something cool to watch. Hopefully you give me a subscription, watch time, and a like. But still, now after you've done all that fun stuff, I know, I'm asking a lot, okay? But it's all free. Take a look right down there in that corner. You're going to see a big old channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. See, one click, easy access, get it all done. Now, after you've gone ahead and beat up that subscribe button, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to enable YouTube to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we know, love, and just sometimes hate on YouTube, two will be popping up over here. Those will be videos from my current catalog that YouTube feels is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Eafengrow EF228 Tactical Folding Knife. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day, and I'll see all of you in our very next video.